In this particular video, I'm going to show you a Telegram bot that will pay you every day by just performing some simple tasks in it. So what you are going to do in this Telegram bot is just to do a simple task like clicking an ad, joining a channel, viewing a post, and by subscribing to channels. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can just make money in this particular Telegram bot that I'm about to show you in this particular video. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this channel we are talking about how to make money online, blogging tutorial, anything related to make money online. So that is what I'm publishing. If this is something that interests you, kindly subscribe, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification in order to get more amazing content like this. So without more delay of your time, let's dive into this one. So what we are going to do now is to check the description of this video. You can see the link of this particular bot, and if you click on it, it will take you directly to your Telegram. So you can just go ahead and click on start. So what you're going to do in this particular Telegram bot, so as you can see right here, those are the things that you can do. You can just view site, joining channels, and joining bots. So let me show you the other ways that you can use to make money on this particular website. So you can see this one, viewing first, Twitter rate, tweet to earn, and they have their airdrops. So the name of this particular bot is Bees Airdrop. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can just start making money right now in this particular bot. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this particular visit site. So let me show you how you can just do it. So let me click on this visit site. So you see this open link here. So let me open it. So it's taking me back. So as you can see right here, this site that they have sent me, it's showing something that is not good. So let me go back, and even if you have just visited the site that is not open, it will pay you. As you can see right here, congratulations, you have earned 0.017 TRX, and this particular bot will pay you in TRX. So let me convert 1 TRX in dollars. So let me show you. So as you can see right here, 1 TRX is equals to 15 cents. So if you have 1 TRX there, you have 15 cents approximately. You can go ahead and click on visit site again. So the visit site, there are no tags available. So let me go back and check the other jobs. So let me click on this particular more section. So let me click on this view first. So this one, no job, right? So you can just check between these 4 and the other ones that are here. So I've already done my own now, so that is why there are no available jobs right now. So you can come back later and check. So let me click on this join channels. So you see I have join channels available that I'm going to join and get paid. So let me click on this join channel. So this is Telegram bot. So you can go ahead and open it, and even if you don't want to use that particular bot, after you have just finishing the joining it, so you can delete it if you doesn't want. So let me go back and see and say join. So as you can see right here, congratulations, you have earned 0.02 TRX. So you can just do this again and again and again every single day. So there are different types of jobs that you can do in this particular bot. As you can see, this one is to join Telegram bot, and you see I have another bot that if I'm interested I can just join it or I can skip it. So let me show you my balance. I have just started using this particular bot. I have just earned 0.77 TRX. So the minimum withdrawal in this particular bot is 10 TRX, which is approximately $2. So if you accumulate $2, you can withdraw it directly into your wallet. So this is how you can just replicate this process and make money by yourself every single day by just doing simple tasks in this particular Telegram bot. If you are enjoying this video, please guys give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that, because YouTube will push it to more people and they will benefit from it. And if you want to advertise your business, you can just click on this particular advertise section. Maybe you have channel, group, bot, or you want people to view your post, or you want people to visit your link, or you want engagement to your Twitter, so you can just advertise it here. If you want to withdraw what you have accumulated in this particular Telegram bot, you can just click on this particular balance section. So it will just show you this, and you can just click on this particular open wallet here. So as you can see right here, it will take you to their main website, and as you can see, withdraw button here. So the reason why I'm not click on this particular withdraw section, I'm not accumulate the minimum withdrawal threshold. So as soon I have just earned what they want me to withdraw, I can just click on this particular withdraw section and withdraw it directly into my wallet or my exchange that I want. So this is how this particular bot is gonna work. You can make at least $3 every single day for free in this particular Telegram bot. So if you check, there are no available jobs, so you can just check it later on, because sometimes they will force a lot of jobs. So let me show you something. As you can see right here, so let me show you this. So as you can see right here, new tasks are available. We found 5,491 new tasks available for you today. So as soon as you see this message, so go ahead and perform that particular task, because you know this particular bot pay a lot of people, and I know a lot of people that have just tried this particular bot and they withdraw money into their exchange or their wallet. So that is the end of this particular video. So you can just click the link of this particular Telegram bot in the description of this video, so you can just start making your money right away. If you are enjoying this video and you are getting value from it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our voice channel, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification in order to get more amazing content like this. And if you want to get an update about different ways to make money online, so don't forget to join my Telegram channel. I'm going to leave the link of this particular channel in the description of this video. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you.